I'm Jody Applegate. Our top story: charges were dropped officially against the 4 Crown Heights men accused of raping and pimping out an Orthodox Jewish teen from the neighborhood. Deborah Alfarone is live in downtown Brooklyn with the explosive details. Deborah?
Jody, 2 Brooklyn men, Damien, Crooks, and Darrell, Dula, they spent almost a year in prison. 2 other men are in prison still on some unrelated charges, but the charges, the specific high-profile rape charges against the 4 men, they have all dropped. These are high-profile charges. Again, the DA originally said that the 4 repeatedly raped and prostituted a young girl, an Orthodox Jewish girl, since she was 13 for about a period of 8 years. Now, after this embarrassing reversal, people are wondering lots of things about what's going on in the Brooklyn DA's office, and they are all asking the same question.
How could this have happened?
That was my question.
Ask the DA.
It might seem almost no one wins in the case of 4 Brooklyn men once accused of raping and pimping out an underage Orthodox Jewish girl for the better part of a decade. Now all cleared. In a startling reversal, all charges dropped. 2 brothers, Jawali and Jawara Brockett, remain in prison on other charges. 25-year-old Darrell, Dula and 32-year-old Damien Crooks spent almost a year behind bars. Today, they walked free. What was your relationship with the girl?
She was like a friend, that's it, like my friend.
Was there sex?
There was definitely a consensual relationship amongst the parties when she was of age. There was nothing criminal.
The case crumbled. The accuser, now 22, with a history of mental illness, apparently had recanted her story. And in April, it came out that the DA's office sat on it. The head of the DA's sex trafficking unit resigned. Today, advocates against sex trafficking spoke out. The alleged victim's father issued a long statement, reading in part, "Our family has the misfortune of living under the jurisdiction of the Brooklyn District Attorney, who regards the psychological confusion and fear my daughter experienced during her enslavement as proof that she sought out, enjoyed, and deserved her victimization." I read that to Brooklyn DA Charles Haynes.
Look, I understand his frustration as a father, and if there was any way I could have continued this prosecution, it would have been done.
I just want to start a new chapter in my life, and put all this behind me, and I'm just overjoyed.
It wasn't good for what she did, but I forgive her.
And Crooks says that he wants to go to school and also get a job. Dula says he wants to do the exact same thing and also spend time with his 4-year-old son. Neither will say at this point whether their attorneys are planning on bringing a case against the Brooklyn DA's office. We're live here in downtown Brooklyn. Deborah Alfarone, Pix 11 News. Back to you, Jody.
Thank you.